Hi, my name is Frankatanka and this is a series of short videos about my airsoft weaponry. This video is video number 2 and it's the P90 TR. This is a Tokyo Marui bog standard P90 TR, to which I've added several accessory items. Starting at this back end, this is where the battery is contained. There's a little plug underneath here. If you push it and slide the buttstock down, it will come off. Here is the battery connection point. I haven't modified this end at all. It takes a 7-cell mini type battery. You plug it in, push it in, and then this stock, the button is on the bottom, basically clips into place. This here is the magazine release. When you buy the weapon it comes with a standard 50 round magazine, which is easy to fit. The round end goes at the back. Basically slide it in and knock it down. This lever is duplicated on this side of the weapon as well, so by holding both levers back you can take the magazine out. So this catch here is the magazine release catch. Coming down this side of the weapon, here by the trigger, is the fire selector. White S by the trigger means that it's safe. One turn is a number 1, which is for single fire. One turn again is an A for automatic. Here the selector is on safe. This is single shot, and that's full auto. It's very easy to use. It's duplicated on this side as well, so you can hold this weapon left or right handed. This is the slide. It doesn't do anything at all, so it makes a nice noise when you put your magazine in for effect. The bolt slide here does slide, but it doesn't do anything. Above this I have a Scorpion flashlight. The Scorpion flashlight has an adjustable head, so I can angle the actual head of the light in any position. This is the Scorpion flashlight, and here is the lock mechanism that will allow you to swivel the actual light around. You just give it a twist to loosen. You can then move this head into any position you'd like and lock it in again. Then you can lock it again. I've added a P90 swivel on the front here for the sling. On the other addition I've put on, it actually comes with a silencer, and this is the silencer it comes with. As you can see, I've added a smaller silencer. This is the laser. It's a GMP red dot laser, but again I've had it so it's completely adjustable at the front end around this side of the weapon. On this side we have the laser, which is exactly the same design as the torch, whereas you can unscrew this locking and move the laser to whatever position you require. High, centre or low. Then when you've done that, you just lock it in place. Up on top I have the classic red dot scope. It has lens protection covers. You can't see this, but you look through it and you get a red dot where you're looking. It has the setting here you can use to set off, and then 3 other intensities of the red dot. What I've also done on this P90 is replace this whole front end, which is plastic when you buy it. I've replaced the whole front end with a metal, G&P metal front end. The pressure pad here is for the torch, front here is for the laser. Torch, laser. The other thing I have for this P90 are high cap magazines. As all high caps, they look exactly the same as the low cap or standard. There is a small problem with these, in that when they are full they tend to jam. So it's recommended that you have 250 to 70 BBs in and no more. Now, because of the way this magazine sits in the weapon, you have to pre-wind them totally, and in order to do that they have a little latch here that you can wind, and you just keep winding this until there's a ratchet click, and then the magazine is charged enough to allow all of the BBs out without having to rewind. A lot of high cap magazines, for instance on the M16, G36, you have to keep winding them from underneath. This one you wind once, fit it in your weapon. I had nothing in it then, so of course it just totally wound down, and forget about it, just fire away. I use this for indoors. The other thing we need to know about this is the hop up. Now, the hop up is actually under a door here. Slide it down and you can get in enough space in here for your finger to turn the hop up left or right. There it is. Tokyo Marui P90. With red dot sight, flashlight and red laser. And thanks for watching.